Welcome to today's class. We actually looked at commercial arithmetic 1, and so in this topic we are going to look at commercial arithmetic 2. And so in this topic we are going to define principal, rate, and time in relation to interest, calculate simple interest using simple interest formula, calculate compound interest using step-by-step method, derive the compound interest formula, apply the compound interest formula for calculating interest. We're going to define appreciation and depreciation, use compound interest formula to calculate the appreciation and depreciation, calculate hire purchase, and finally calculate income tax given the income tax bounds. And so all this is available on your mathematics application, available in your smartphone, and which if you don't have it, you can get it from your Google Play Store. So check the description of this link for that resource, and that way we become your ultimate smart revision companion. So make sure to subscribe so that we catch up with us on our next topic where we discuss commercial arithmetic 2 in depth. So see you in our next class.